Well, the visits to the museum we have done, and the learners at the moment, the smaller Swansea Museum has got an exhibition on Welsh people during the World War One. It's to celebrate the 100 years, and we've visited to look at the Welsh contribution to World War One. So not only the army and the navy or whatever, it's more to do with the contribution of engineers and things like that within Wales, and how they contributed to the war. So students found that very, very interesting. So.